Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to solve this task which is taken from the Open Mathematical Olympiad from the year 2025 for the grade 12. So we need to solve this nice equation for the real roots. First, we can pay attention to this part and that part. You see the product gives us -2. It means that one of the terms shall be negative, as we know that this term will always be positive because here is the 5 to the power and x to the power 7 to the power. You cannot get negative value here. You basically can have only negative value in x, so it means that x has to be negative. Something is here, let us delete it. So x shall be negative. The next thing is that if we look into the 5 to the power of x squared minus 1 square root, we see that this part, this term, contains the square root, and the square root, the expression under the square root shall be positive or 0. So x squared minus 1 shall be larger or equal than 0. In this case, we can have the following situation. If we just take both of them, this part and this part, then we can see here x shall be less than -1 and x shall be larger or equal, of course less or equal than 1. But this part will not cover our case because we have x always negative. So we can take into account this part, and you can see that it should be less or equal than -1. And if we have x now less or equal than -1, then if we take the next part like x plus 1, then this guy shall also be larger than 0 or equal to 0 as it is in the power. And it means that x shall be larger or equal than -1. So what happens if we take both of them? Simultaneously, x shall be smaller or equal than -1 and larger or equal than -1. So the only possibility is that x is -1. So that is the solution. Thank you.